Hey everyone, we've got a full body workout today with no jumping involved, so no excuses. You can do this workout in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening. It's up to you. Now smash that thumbs up button for me and leave me a comment down below and let's get started. We've got 25 exercises today across 3 sets, 30 to 50 seconds on and 10 to 15 seconds off. Get on your mat and let's start the workout with plank with hip dips. I don't even know where I'm at. Start in the low plank position with your elbows below your shoulders and rotate your hips from side to side. Keep your core engaged and your back neutral. Let's do this. Little Miss Sunshine, wish you called me one time. Had a bad trip, I needed a lifeline. That's it, I needed a lifeline. A lifeline. Took a big nosedive, left me on my own. I had a bad trip. No rest here. Next we've got leg lift and knee tuck. Get into a high plank position and lift one leg up, then bring it towards your chest. Make sure your core is engaged. You can do it. I don't even want to leave my bed, yeah. Auto drive like I'm a walking dead, yeah. Lifeline, lifeline, throw it at the right time. Reel me in quick, faded like a nightlight, yeah. Tell me if it's pumping, all I ever really feels nothing. Little Miss Sunshine, wish you called me one time. Had a bad trip, I needed 10 seconds rest now. Flip around and we've got angle in and out. With your hands to the side, lean back slightly. Now extend your legs to one side and bring them back in, keeping your core tight and your back straight. And then repeat on the other side. When I numb the pain. No rest here, lay flat on the mat, feet about shoulder width apart. Now thrust your hips up and squeeze your glutes here and do not hyperextend your back. Again, remember to engage your core. Tight ropes and lifelines, they slip me away. Little Miss Sunshine, wish you called me one time. Had a bad trip, I needed a lifeline. That's it, I needed a lifeline. A lifeline. I needed a lifeline. Took a big nosedive, left me on my own. I had a bad trip, I needed a lifeline. Short rest here again and low boat to reach its next. I needed a lifeline. Start in a high boat, then lower your back down into a low boat where your shoulders are off the mat. Then use your core to lift forward, then back down and repeat. This can be a little bit challenging, but keep trying. You can do it. I try. You can never save a bitch with a past that lie. You know I act out when she lie. I try. No rest here, we're going straight into reverse crunches. Lay flat on the mat and now lift your hips off the mat using your core muscles. Make sure your back is flat on the mat and not arch. Just 3 more exercises to go and we're done with the first set, guys. You can do it. She got my DNA all on her, ooh, don't bother. We could be like Mr. and Miss Carter. Throw it backwards, throw it farther. Now I might end up a whole father. She a dancer and a model. She a cancer, she got problems, ooh. She lie. You know I act out when she lie. You're doing great, guys. Rest up and get ready to go on all fours as we've got 90 degrees bird dog coming up. You know I act out when she lie. I try. Get on all fours, then lift your knees off the mat, then lift one arm and the opposite leg up. Keep your core engaged and stay balanced. We're almost done with the first set. Keep going. Question what I got, just know that I got it. Something wrong with her, she got issues. Wipe her tears with the money, she need tissue. She a cold freak, need an igloo. And a box full of condoms while they been used. Ooh. I pray, she knows. No rest here, go straight into a low plank, then tap one foot to the side, one at a time. Again, make sure your back is straight and your core is engaged. Keep going, guys. We're almost there. So attached, I got a problem. She lie. You know I act out when she lie. I try. You can never save a bitch with a past that lie. You know I act out when she lie. I try. You can never save a bitch with a past that lie. 15 seconds rest here guys, and that's set 1. Get some water if you need to, you're doing great. Stand upright, and the next set is all upright.
Was it the voice? Was it the fire burning in me?
We're starting the second set with some squats. Stand with your feet about shoulder width apart, then squat down. Make sure your glutes are engaged. Now let's do a normal squat followed by a sumo squat. Start with a regular squat, then take one step to the side and do a sumo squat where your feet are wider than shoulder width apart. Then do another regular squat and onto the other side. Ten seconds rest here, and we've got lateral lunge next. You're doing great guys, so stay in this with me. You've got this, not long to go. Bring one leg to the side and lunge down. Go as low as you can, and it's okay if you can't go into a deep lunge. You'll get there once you are stronger or more flexible. It's okay. And now let's swap to the other side. Just a couple more exercises to go and we'll be done with the second set. Keep going guys, we're almost there. Short rest here again, and we've got reach and knee tuck. With your hands up, take a step back, then bring your knee towards your chest, working your core. Now let's swap to the other side. Halfway through the workout guys, keep going, you got this.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you.
Nice work guys. Next we're doing a single leg deadlift, then going into a lunge.
What you need. We're broken.
Lean forward slowly as you push your hips back, lifting one leg up. Keep a straight line from your neck to your lifted leg and make sure your core is engaged here to stay balanced. Then return to the original position and now do a lunge by bringing one leg behind you. Then back to neutral and then into another single deadlift. And now let's swap to the other side. It's the last exercise of the second set. Keep going guys, you're doing well. Great job guys, 15 seconds rest now, and we're starting the third set with squat to bent knee leg lift. Start with a squat, then as you come up, lift one leg to the side, then repeat on the other side. Again, make sure your core and glutes are engaged here. Mind-muscle connection is important. Ten seconds rest now, and we've got oblique twist knee drive. With your hands behind your head, take a step back, then twist your torso and drive your knee up, touching your elbow. Take it nice and easy and work your core.
Can't seem to get out, but something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can't and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Fuck your lies, I'll do what I want.
No rest here, let's repeat on the other side.
By thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse.
10 seconds rest here, and pulsing lunge to kick back is next.
Won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can't.
Start in a lunge position, then pulse once. Then as you get up, lift your back leg up. Then back into a lunge and repeat. This is gonna work your legs and your glutes. No rest here, let's swap to the other side. We're almost done with this workout, guys. Keep going.
Don't wanna sleep in, cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the shit you don't do. Well, I'ma make hella sure that I don't become you. Ha! Have no regrets, yeah, I'll tie up my chest. I'll never forget.
Great job, guys. Just 4 more exercises to go and we'll be done with the workout. Next, we're doing some lateral walk squats to work that booty. Start in a squat, then walk 2 or 3 steps laterally, then squat, and now repeat on the other side.
These things that I can't let go, watch me turn this life into something that you could never run. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go, watch me turn this life into something that you could never run.
No rest here, we've got curtsy lunge pulses now. Perform a curtsy lunge by bringing one leg diagonally behind you and pulse once. Then repeat on the other side.
I'm a human being, cover them with tattoos so you can't see. Knew it from the start, you had problems with me.
Final 10 seconds rest of the workout. We've got shoulder taps.
You already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show.
Start in a high plank position, then tap your shoulders with your hands one at a time. Make sure your core is engaged and that you're not swaying your hips.
You already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never run. So fight and die for the things you know you love.
Now flip around onto your butt and lean back, and we've got in and out. Lean back slightly and extend your legs out as you breathe in, and bring your legs back in as you exhale and work your abs. And that's the workout, guys. Hope you enjoyed this one. Let me know down in the comments how you felt after the workout, and smash that like button for me, and I'll see you in the next workout. Bye!